Hello?
I wish that heaven had visited ours, so I could just show up and bring the news that she's getting
You
old.
shot everybody.
And I wish that you met her. The things that you learn from me, I get them all from you. Can I just stay a while and we'll put all the world to rights?
Ate Jack,
Little ones will grow and I'll still drink your
Oh,
favorite
karagyan na
wine.
ako.
Soon they're going to close, but I'll see you another day. So much has changed since you've been.
Kamusta mga George? Ang guys doing? Nalagay.
I wish that heaven
Nandun sa ilaw.
had visited ours. And I would
Dakas
ask
to na, nakumot nga rin angin.
if I could take you home. I know what they'd say, that it's for the best.
Sa silaw yun.
So I would live life
Kita
the
na kayo natin
way
Jackie
you
nagkarakaradap ditan.
and make it on my own. I will close the door, but I will open up my heart. And everyone I love will know exactly who you are. 'Cause this is not goodbye, it is just till we meet again. So much has changed since you've been.
May laman pa kandila nila. Hello? Nakasindi na akong kandila. Parang. Hi everyone. I'm back. I'm back again. Back here again. May dumalo ngayon dito. Ay, okay pa. Nyamot to, danagbuaw. Oh, makayo ha. Hindi kailang mabain. Ay. Maslom ka. Adi po aksyab. Be, kaka. Kampo ka. Grabing init. Happy birthday, Ate Jack. Ay, nilagyan ko. Oo, lahat sila apat. Kuya Del, nabisitam na bigat. Lumagas dito na bigat. Bye. See you tomorrow. Baka mo kayo bisitam na bigat. Top. Okay. Walang atang dito, George. Ayun na. Daot kang balong. Mabilid. To you. Wait. We miss you. We miss you. We miss you so much. Kamusta kami? maglita lang, dala pa panami damdama. We miss you, we miss you. We love you, we love you. Bye-bye. Gawin ako. See you ulit next time.
Sobrang kagubatan. Hindi ah. Hindi, kulay red yun yung petrol.
Bigyan niyo dito ah. Dito, kinapong. Last na dalaw.